In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert any PDF to Excel. So right now, I'm on the website called smallpdf.com. So first of all, go to this website. Then next up, you can click right there by scrolling all the way down on this website. PDF to Excel. Let me click right there. Then drop your PDF file. So let me just click right there. Then this is the PDF file. Then right now it's going to upload my file. Click right there on Convert to Excel. Choose option. Then it's going to convert the file. Then next up, you can actually download it right there. Let's click on download. And then there you go. As you can see right there, I now downloaded my file as an Excel file. So let me click on open. And then we can actually take a look at this, and then you can see that this actually works. So as you can see right there, it's going to open Excel, and then it's pretty much going to show my file, okay? So let's just get rid of this. This is just proof that this works. If this works, make sure you leave a like. I would really appreciate that. That would help this video out, and then others can actually find this method as well. And then hopefully I'll see you sometime soon. Peace out.